Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing on how to solve quadratic equation using completely discrete method. Using this example, I'm going to be looking at two examples whereby a is equals to 1 and when a is not equals to 1. In our previous video, we learned on how to find the value of k, that is what will be added to a quadratic equation whereby the constant is not available to make it a perfect square. So that idea we're going to be using it is solve this. That's we're just trying to complete this square. So looking at this example, first thing, let me divide this space. First thing first is to move your constant. Move your constant to the other side. Move your constant to the other side. Move your constant to the other side. That you have x squared plus 6x equals to 7. That's the first step in our completing the square method. Then in the previous video, which I advise you to look at, we looked for a value to be added to this to make it a perfect square. Looking at this is not a perfect square. A perfect square is any value that you end up having the same, like this square here, this is square here, and you can factorize it out easily. And now to make this a perfect square, first video we just used, you can use any value, but we use k. K equals to p over 2. And now in the nature of our, in the general formula of the quadratic expression, you have x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So 6 is representing the equation. Take note, we're only dealing with this. Deal with this now. So you have, what will be? You have b is with 6. That'll be 3 square. That'll be 9. 9. So 9. So we can just add 9 to one part of the equation and leave out the equation just to make it balanced out. So whatever you add to inside the equation, so add this equation to show that it was even added in the first place. So you have x squared plus 6x plus 9, 7 plus 9. Yeah. So yeah, so this is a perfect square now. So if you factorize this, you have two equations that is, what are the two numbers you add together, you multiply together to give you this. You see, when you add together, give you this. So that's 3 and 3. So you have x, let me just write there, x plus 3, x plus 3. We have a 7 plus 16. So that gives us x plus 3 all squared. 16. So take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. So this x plus 3 square root of 16. We have x plus 3. You notice when you take the square root of any number, you have plus or minus 4. Because if you multiply plus 4 times plus 4, you get 16. Minus 4 times minus 4, you get 16. So that's why you have this. It's very paramount. Most of my students make mistakes here. So take note of that. Then just have, then this will lead us to two separate equations whereby you have x. Since most of quadratic equation answers are 2, so we have x equals to minus 3 plus 4, taking the first one, or minus 3, that is, this goes to the other side, minus 3. Then you have x equals to, so you have 1, we have, oh sorry, this should be minus 4. This should be minus 4, so this gives minus 7. So these are to solve. So where a is equals to 1. Then when we have a is not equals to 1, that this can be less than 1, greater than 1, but here we have that one. Find this also. So the first thing you do in this is the same thing as the first, just that first thing first, you have to divide through by a. And what's our a in this instance? From our quadratic equation we just did here, a is 2. So divide through by a, so that will be 2x squared plus, let's just write it out. I'll give us x squared plus 4x minus 5. Then continue the same step we have here. So the first step here is to take constant to the other side. We have x squared plus 4x 5 goes to the other side. Then you make this a perfect square by using the formula b over 2 whole square with 4 over 2 whole square. So square equals to give us 4. Get back to this again. Then just have to, like I said, you just add it to this equation. Add whatever you add there, you have to add to the other side as well. So you have x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now making it a perfect square. So 5 plus 4. Now when you have this perfect square, you just keep. So you have x plus 2 square. Just like me skipping step, we have x plus 2, x plus 2. So I just went down to this, so plus 9. Then take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the steps. Then you have square root of 9. Then don't forget what I said earlier, you have to plus or minus 3. Because if you just have 3 here, you have independent one answer. That's the lot of steps we miss, because last question tends to have 2 answers because it's a square. Then you have x, say plus 3, taking this first one. Then this goes to the other side, I have minus 2. Or then this one minus 3. So that's a minus 2. You have x equals to 1 or minus 5. Thank you for listening. In the next video, I'll be showing you complete two question whereby you have answers are irrational, rational. As your answers are irrational, just watch out for that. Thank you.